Hi friends, my name's Miss Katie and I'm going to be walking you through how to make your very own Father's Day gift for your dad. So I hope you picked up your kit from the library and you should have gotten a white mug and a black Sharpie. Alright, so it's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. We are going to decorate our mug however you want to, whatever is your dad's taste and how you feel about your dad. And then we're going to bake it in the oven, and he's going to be able to drink out of it and enjoy your artwork for years to come. So let's get started. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, we have our white mug, and you can decorate it however you want to. There's so many great ideas. Now, my daughter, she's only 4, so she needs a little help. So she told me what she wanted me to write on here for her. So I'm going to write that. She said she wanted it to say, now let me quote, "Daddy is my superhero. Love, Adelaide." So I am going to write, "Daddy is my superhero," and then "Love, Adelaide" on the back. Now, it's pretty simple, but a few tips to help you out. One, if you want to have everything neat and tidy, you can mark out the lines with a pencil where you're going to write. So I'm going to measure just lightly the line and a line and a line. All right, so there, it's very light pencil on there. And then I'm just gonna go for it. All right, here we go. Do it slowly though, but not too slow. Because if you go too slow, it gets shaky. And if you mess up a little bit, no worries. Your dad loves you anyways, right? Because nobody's perfect. And it will make it more homemade, so it'll make it more special. Here we go. Super hero. All right. There it is. That's all. See how it's a little wonky? But it makes it a little more special. And then on the back, it's plain. So every time he drinks, because he's right-handed, it will say, "Heart, Adelaide." And that's my daughter's name. There. Now, once you're done with the pencils, I would recommend doing the line all the way across, taking your time, slowing down, and doing it right, and then it will be straighter. Or you could do tape and then peel it up after you do it. Any way you want to do it, and decorate it however you want. Any message you would like. You could draw pictures. And if you have colored Sharpies at home, then you can add color too. But this is how we did ours. And then now, for those who have littles that can't quite write yet, like mine, you could also cut out shapes, or if you have letters, you can cut out of tape and then tape it on the mug, and then have your littles just color over it. Just scribble, 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 scribble. And then, once they're all done scribbling, make it nice and dark. And that'll be super fun for the littles. Then you just peel off the tape. There, and then you have a heart. or whatever message you would like to leave. So there are a few different ways to do it. Do it however you'd like. And then remember, once you're done, take all the time you'd like, put your mug in the oven for 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And that's it. Now remember to have an adult help you with that. And when you're taking the cup out of the oven, put on oven mitts. You don't want to touch it with bare hands because it will burn and it hurts. I've done it before. I don't recommend it. So, ask for an adult to help you with the oven and always use oven mitts. Okay? Well, that was our quick and simple Father's Day do-it-yourself mug. Have a great day and a happy Father's Day. Bye-bye.